Just sold in Lansdale. Lansdale, PA sellers, your home is hot and buyers are waiting. We just sold this gem after 50 plus open house groups, 39 private showings, and 22 offers, all in just 6 days and for $51,000 over list price. If you've been thinking about selling, now is the time. We are working with serious, qualified buyers who are actively looking, and many of them missed out on this one. Let's talk about creating a custom plan to get your home sold quickly and for top dollar. And if you're a buyer who had your eye on this property, don't worry. We're here to help you find the next great opportunity. Whether you're buying, selling, or just exploring your options, we've got the strategy, experience, and local expertise to help you win. We love what we do, and we'd love to work with you.